Welcome. I'll show you how raw sugar becomes pure white.
Lime is added to adjust the pH, coagulating impurities for removal.
The clear juice is now concentrated under vacuum to preserve the sugar. In the vacuum pan, the syrup is seeded to trigger the growth of pure sugar crystals. What's left are crystals of raw sugar, about 97% pure, still coated in a thin layer of molasses. At the refinery, the process begins by washing the raw sugar crystals in a heavy syrup to loosen impurities. Chemicals and air are added. Impurities bind to the bubbles and float to the surface to be removed. This is the decolorization filter medium, bone char. Its porous structure is highly effective at adsorbing color molecules. The yellow sugar liquor percolates down through this bed, emerging clear and colorless.
The result is a complete transformation. Color and remaining impurities are stripped away.
Once saturated, the bone char is washed out and sent for thermal regeneration to burn off the impurities. Once regenerated, the bone char is ready for another cycle, making it a sustainable part of the refining process.
With the liquor now perfectly clear, it's sent to the final vacuum pans for crystallization into pure white sugar. High-speed, continuous centrifuges separate the pure white crystals from the remaining mother liquor in one seamless operation.
Before packaging, the sugar is screened to ensure a consistent crystal size for the perfect pour. Computer-controlled scales combine microdoses to hit the exact package weight every time.
The packaged sugar is then robotically palletized, ready for distribution.
For industrial customers, sugar is packed in 1-ton bulk bags. Every batch is verified in the lab. The final product is over 99.9% pure sucrose. From here, every stage, from the wash of raw sugar to the final crystallization of pure white, is monitored and controlled 24/7. With paperwork complete, the sugar begins its journey to distributors, supermarkets, and food producers across the country.
Every resource, including water, is managed responsibly.
And that's the complete modern process, from global raw materials to the pure packaged sugar you use every day.